We're at the Silco oil building. I sure hope it's not a single tenant and we go up there, they're like, what are you doing?
Something look at that, it's glass.
Yeah.
It's funny, isn't it? Yeah, we've both been by this building so many times.
Never expected to find glass.
Yeah, I was not expecting it to be glass. Oh, it's an Ecodisc too.
Wonder what it was before.
Probably something hydro, I reckon.
6 has a security, but it's off. If anybody asks, we just tell them we were on a different floor and wanted to ride the glass elevator. Slow as an Ecodisc ever is.
Yep.
The hydraulic of Kone's.
Still worth coming in here.
Oh yeah, for sure.
A great view of. Actually, this does have a decent view.
This is the floor. Nothing really up here.
Is there a water fountain? No. Everyone here just goes thirsty.
Let's go back down.
Yeah, I bet this used to be a hydro.
Probably was.
The thing is partly open.
We'll inspect later. That's right.
Honestly, that does have kind of a pretty view of the mountains.
Yeah, the elevator view isn't bad. It's nice that it is a glass elevator. You know how many places are just built a brick wall and the building like this age?
Hey, you should send it up and watch it go.
You have to like run out the door.
Oh my god, I didn't realize that was the elevator. You can see the lights in it. Anyway, that's what the building looks like on the outside. And that's it. Oh wait, let's look in the pit, just because why not? Is that the pit? Let me see, is there the remnants of a hydraulic line? I can't tell.
Yeah, it's too hard to see.
Anyway, there's the counterweight somewhere, maybe on the other side. All right, that's it.